welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. As you guys know, I installed a Joez catback exhaust on the IS350. Now if you are new to the channel, I had an NVIDIA catback exhaust before and I replaced it with the Joez catback exhaust. Now on the next video I will let you know what I like about the Joez exhaust and what I don't like, and why I kind of miss the NVIDIA but not that much, and why I may install PPE headers. And today it will be just like cold start and home start and revs and all that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys at the end of it. Was louder for sure, man. We'll do a video on that next. guys, that was the sound clip slash review or POV of the Joez exhaust. Well, not really a review. This is it for today, like cold start, warm start, and driving by. And in the next one, like I said, I will do a full review like with the Joez and the Nvidia. And that's it for today, and I hope you guys have a good day, good night, take care, and I will see you guys on the next one.